Go to continue on your seat, remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card, place it over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull on the strap and tighten it. Only once you've gotten off the airplane do you pull down on the red tab, or you can manually inflate by blowing into the red tube at your shoulder. Your life vest is equipped with a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer once again to the safety information card for the use of a vest on the child or infant. We do have spare vests available if the need should arise. Smoking's never allowed on board. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a smoke detector. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions. As always, folks, please do not get out of your seat while the seatbelt sign is on, and please know that a flight attendant can never give you permission to get up until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once it has been, we have 2 bathrooms on board, one in the front, one in the back. Nobody's allowed to stand or form a line for any reason in the front of the airplane. So if the lavatory is occupied, please return to your seat until that person comes out, or go to the back of the plane and use the bathroom back there. Yellow oxygen mask will fall from the compartments above you. This activates flow of oxygen. Pull down on one of the masks till the plastic tube is fully extended. Place that mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with your elastic strap. The bag may not inflate, but you will be receiving oxygen. Continue wearing your mask all the way notified by crew member. If you travel with a kid or somebody that needs special assistance, always get your mask on first. The flight crew is here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unlawful behavior to one of us. And the consumption of alcohol that you have brought on board is strictly prohibited by the FAA. They're handing out really big fines, so please don't do that. And in just a couple minutes, we're going to dim the cabin lights for the flight. If you'd like an additional ring light, look above your head and push a button on the section light bulb. seatbelts, we've been cleared for departure. folks. Now safe to use those modular electronics.